Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, looking at our Chevy Blazer. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. I think the indicator doesn't work, but it works. There's your wipers. Got the switch a little wonky there. Hear the radio and the fan blowing. Here's your gauges, about E on gas. 60 pounds there, just cool. I don't think the amp gauge works. Power locks don't work. Power windows do work. A little slow on that one over there. There's a little gas. And we'll show you the lights. Dome light works. Runs good, like I said. That choke light's on because it has an Edelbrock on it. Also has an Edelbrock intake and belt cover. Good running truck out of Washington. There you can see the blinker does work. So showing you that works. It is an air truck, but it is missing. So would need a new evaporator box. So the horn doesn't work, and I think the amp gauge doesn't work. So, and of course the air. Any questions? 605-695-7391.